The first question on today's daily math asks the place value of the underlined digit in the number 2,487,492. What is the place value of that digit, Cash?
Million.
It's the millions. The second question asks the place value of the 8 in the number 4,389,024. What is that, Olivia?
8,000. 10,000.
It's in the 10,000s place value. Very good. Here's the 8 right here, and it's in the 10,000s place value. Next, we're rounding the number 4,278,003 to the nearest 10,000. So in the 10,000s place value, I have a 7. I'm going to look to the place value at the right, which has an 8. So what does that round to, Olivia?
4,027,280,000.
Very good. The 8 in the thousands place tells the 7 that it needs to go up to an 8 because it's above the midpoint. My 4,200,000 stay the same. Everything else turns to zeros. 4,280,000. Next, we're finding the sum. What does that tell me that I need to do, Ansley?
Add.
I'm going to add 22,455 plus 8,658. Where do I put the 8,658 if I'm stacking these up to add them?
Below the 2,000.
Where at, Ansley?
Below the 2,000.
Got to make sure that I line those place values up. The 8 goes in the thousands place value. 600s, 5 tens, 8 ones. All right, so what do I do, Ansley?
5 plus 8 is 13.
Okay, what do I do with the 1?
Carry it.
Okay,
5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11.
very good.
6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11. 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. And 2 plus 1 is 3.
Very good. So the sum is 31,113. Okay. Next, we're finding the difference. 4,562 minus 881. Caden, how do I do that?
You subtract.
Okay, so tell me what I need to do. What? We're not multiplying, we're finding the difference, so we're subtracting. How are we going to do that, Christopher?
We're going to subtract.
Okay, so what do I do? How do I solve that?
So you do you take you 4,562 and then you put 881 on the bottom.
Okay.
And then you can take 1 from 6 and then put the 1 down there.
Okay.
You can't take 8 from 6. You take 1 from 5 and then you have 4 left. And then that 6 turns to a 16. And 16 minus 8 is 8. And then you can't do 8 subtracted from 4, so you take 1 from the thousands place and make that a 3. And then make the 4 14. And 14 minus 8 is 6.
Okay.
And then 3 minus nothing is 3.
Very good. So 3,681 is the difference. Next, we're finding the difference of 51,433 minus 18,967. So we're subtracting again. 51,433 minus 18,967. All right, what do I need to do, Olivia?
You would need 3 minus 7. You can't do that, so you go to the other 3 and X that one out, and then you would put a 2, and then you would put a 13, and 13 minus 7 is 6, and then you'd have to borrow from the 4, so that would be 3, and then the number would be 12, and 12 minus 6 is 6, and then you can't do 3 minus 9, so you'd have to borrow again. That would be 0, and it would be 13. 13 minus 9 is 4, and then you'd have to borrow from the 5 again. That would be 4, and then it would be 10. And 10 minus 8 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3.
Very good. 32,466 is the correct answer. All right, this next one was a little bit tricky. Mrs. Smith gave 132 stickers to her students. She has 25 students. If she gives the same number of stickers to each of her students, how many stickers would be left over?
I didn't read it right, so I put 132 minus 25.
Okay. So let's think about what's happening. She's giving each student the same number of stickers. So what are we doing? What operation?
Subtracting.
Listen, I have a total of 132 stickers. And she's giving equally sharing those with 25 students. So what are we doing, Dylan?
Dividing.
We're dividing. Now, those are some big numbers to divide. But we've got this number 25. What can we think about with the number 25 that might help us to solve that?
It's made out of 5.
Oh, okay, it is made out of 5s. Is there something that we use nearly every day that we can help us think about 25? Think about money. Think about money. What coin has a value of 25?
A quarter.
A quarter.
So if you get 4 quarters, it makes 100.
4 quarters makes 100. So 4 times 25 equals 100. What if I had another quarter?
It would be 125.
Ooh, that's 125. Could I give them another one? No, that'd be 150. That's too much. So I know that each student can have how many stickers? 5. But does that answer my question?
No.
Wants to know how many are left over. If I have 132 and I use 125 of those, how many are left over? Who just said it? 7. There's 7 left over. All right. The last 2 were something we haven't done before. We're listing the multiples of 3s in the chart below. So when you're finding multiples, you're saying 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2. It's all the things, all the numbers that can be multiplied by 3. Or all the products when you multiply by 3. So you're basically skip counting. So it would be 3, skip count with me, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 27, then 30. I'm sorry, 24, 27, then 30. I missed that one. So your second choice is correct. All right, and then the next one we're finding multiples or skip counting by sixes. Let's do that together. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Why? Okay, hold on just a second. I have a question. Why were there less multiples of 6 than there were of 3, Ansley?
Because it's a bigger number.
Yeah, because 6 is a bigger number. All right, very good.